Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I will be unboxing TAKARA TOMY Gravity Perseus and TAKARA TOMY Earth Aquila, aka Eagle. Alright, let's get started. Perfect. Now, here's the stickers with the bottom and the track for Aquila. Got the good old clear wheel, metal wheel, and face. Got the good old tatted face on it. I love it. Zoom in a little bit. Here we go. Alright. Let's put Aquila together first. Oh, no, I accidentally said pert instead of put. I'm weird. One of the strongest bays from the first metal series. Let's give him a little test spinny. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Just as awesome as I hoped he would be. That's freaking cool. Aquila's gonna be great in battles. Alright, let's get right to opening Perseus. Wish these boxes weren't taped together. Tape is the enemy of TAKARA TOMY box collectors. My dudes. Shit. Yeah, I know I said a bad word. It's okay. Should have said Shisa instead. It's so weird. Because I've been at work all day. And some tough stuff. Got me a new string launcher that I will actually be keeping in left spin because I already got I still have the string launcher from a previous Gravity Perseus I owned. There's the face and all. Get that out. There's a track and the bottom. Let's get that on out. After I unpack that launcher, give it a good old test spin. Oh, come on. Am I doing it wrong or something? Why won't the face go in on this one? There we go. Gravity Perseus, or as you Englishmen would call it, Destroyer. Alright, let's get my trusty little new string launcher out. Put it in left spin. Let's launch this boy. Looking good so far. Very unbalanced, though. Not too sure about this Perseus, but Let's battle against Earth Aquila. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Earth Aquila is very nice so far. I remember back in the Metal Fusion days of Hasbro, this was one of the strongest bays ever, along with Earth Phoenix or Fire Blaze. It's cool because now I've got 2 string launchers that I can use, one for right spinning bays and one for left spinning bays. After this, I'll do a couple more test battles and then I'll end the video. And I'm kind of just inclined to make long unboxing videos because I've just got to test spin and do test battles. Earth Aquila is very good so far, though. But I'm going to do a couple of anime battles before throwing the towel for the night. Also, glad I'm coming back to Beyblade on YouTube because I really did lose my spark before I stopped, like 5 or 7 years ago. And now my spark's back. I'm talking in my videos again. Alright, let's do an anime battle. Hell Kerbex versus Gravity Perseus. Let the battle begin. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's do Gravity Perseus and right spin now. Ooh. Whew, that's intense. This is definitely going to be a future battle video. Wow. Perseus got wrecked. My dude. Alright, now let's try Kerbex versus Aquila, which really isn't an anime battle, but I'm going to try it out. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Is TAKARA TOMY Bays having loose bottom pieces normal? Sound off in the comments. I noticed even back when I used to get genuine TAKARA TOMY Bays all the time, they'd have that issue at first. But the bays still perform really well. Kerbex is just giving these bays a piece of its mind. That's why it was such a great bay for its time. In the Metal Fight series, or as the Englishmen would call it, Metal Masters. Kerbex wins. Alright, let's try Earth Aquila versus Poison Serpent. A battle of the respective series. Shit. Oh, I'll do it again. Please don't hurt me, YouTube. Didn't mean it. This is a nice little battle. Might have a couple of battle videos coming this week too, so stay tuned. I think my next one will be the battle of the two Bahamets, because the seller who gave me these new bays also gave me a Hasbro Bahamdia wheel that I put on the mid-fake Bahamdia, and it actually works really well. Let's try that out against Perseus real quick. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Yeah, it's very nice. It's got a lot of strength. Come on, focus, man. Focus. It's a loss, but it gave Perseus a piece of its mind. A little bit. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Alright. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Cursed Blader GT out! Come on. Woo! Sick Bahamdia.